In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Odoo website. We'll walk through the entire process step by step so you can confidently place a video exactly where you want it on your site and customize how it looks and behaves. First, log into your Odoo account as you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the website app and click it. This will open a preview of your website. At the top right of the screen, you'll see an edit button. Go ahead and click edit. As soon as you do, a panel will slide open on the right-hand side of the page. In this panel, make sure you're on the blocks tab. This is where all the different building blocks for your pages are located. Scroll through the list until you find the video block. When you see it, click and drag that video block onto your page and drop it exactly where you want the video to appear. You can always move it later, so don't worry too much about getting it perfect on the first try. As soon as you drop the block into place, a pop-up window will appear asking you to select your media. You'll land on the video tab by default. Here, you'll paste your video code, which can be either a direct URL or an embed code. Odoo supports videos from popular platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Facebook, and Instagram. Paste your URL or embed code into the field provided. You should immediately see a preview of your video right inside the pop-up. Beneath the preview, additional settings will appear so you can control how the video behaves. For example, you can enable or disable autoplay, decide if the video should loop, hide or show the player controls, hide the full screen button, and set options like vertical video or a specific start time. Take a moment to configure these options based on how you want visitors to experience your video. When you're happy with the settings, click the Add button. Your video will now be placed on the page. If you want to fine-tune its design, simply click on the video in the page preview. This will open the Style tab for the video block on the right side. Here, you'll see three main sections you can expand. The block section lets you adjust the overall layout, background, shape, content width, height, and visibility of the block. The box section is where you can control the background of the container, padding around the video, borders, shadows, animations, and visibility options. Finally, the video section is where you can replace the media if you ever want to switch to a different video without rebuilding the block. Take your time to experiment with these settings until the video looks and feels right within your design. And once you're completely done editing, don't forget the most important step. Click the Save button at the top right of the page. This will apply all your changes to the live website so your visitors can see the video in action.